Welcome to the Halo Series installation video by LAGOM Lighting. We know installations can be tricky, so we've designed this process to be simple and hassle-free. You can complete most of the steps on your countertop if the supply wires are long enough. If not, simply mount the fixture under the cabinet first and then continue. Inside the box, you'll find all the hardware you need. If you notice any parts missing, just reach out to our customer service for support. Now, let's get started with the installation. Remove the two end screws, then lift off the wiring compartment cover. Repeat the step and remove the back plate. Then, use a screwdriver to pop out one knockout on the rear access cover. The fixture wires are pre-installed with quick connectors. Pull them out. Next, take off the lock nut from the non-metallic cable connector. Then attach the connector to the rear access cover. Loosen the screws so it's ready for the wires. Next, feed the house wires through the connector and strip about 3/8 inch of insulation. Now, connect each house wire to its quick connector, white with white, black with black, and green or bare copper with green. Make sure they click into place. Then, arrange the wires, tuck them inside, and reinstall the rear access cover. Reinstall the wiring compartment cover the same way. Tighten the screws on the NM cable connector. Now, mount the fixture to the underside of the cabinet using a screwdriver. Put the screw caps on. To connect more units, remove the output cover and attach the linking cords. That's it. The hardwired installation is complete. This model includes a 3 correlated color temperature switch and a high-low dimmer, giving you 6 lighting options. Daylight, 5000 Kelvin at 30% brightness or full brightness. Bright white, 4000 Kelvin at 30% brightness or full brightness. Warm white, 2700 Kelvin at 30% brightness or full brightness. Now enjoy your kitchen with Halo under cabinet lights. Bright, simple, and stylish.